90% of drivers are making these mistakes every day.
Driving immediately after starting your engine damages it.
Driving on low fuel can damage your fuel pump.
Riding the brakes wears them out quickly.
Using the wrong gear puts stress on your engine.
Delaying oil changes can destroy your engine.
Ignoring warning lights can lead to serious problems.
Incorrect tire pressure affects safety and mileage.
Speeding over bumps damages suspension. Not using the handbrake properly harms transmission. Low-quality fuel damages your engine over time.
I'm Bartolomew. Taking care of your car doesn't have to be complicated. By avoiding these simple mistakes, you can keep your car running smooth.
Remember, your car is not just a machine. It's your safety, your journey, and sometimes even your family's protection.